Craft coffee enthusiasts are always searching for the best tasting coffee possible. Through trial and error, skill and precision at every stage until they achieve that perfect cup. But is craft coffee truly achievable without that manual control? We set out in the pursuit of this enigma to create a brewer that surpasses the benchmarks. The Breville Precision Brewer takes craft coffee brewing to a whole new level and brings complete control over every critical element essential to craft. Adjustable and precise water temperature using PID digital control and adjustable flow rate for the right contact time. Precise temperature control and contact time are critical when it comes to optimising flavour balance. We abandoned the typical heating system that relies on steam and integrated our precision heating system that utilises a pump and PID-controlled thermocoil, delivering water at a precise and adjustable temperature and flow rate, allowing us to achieve the gold cup standard in brewing. But much more than that, we've created a machine that's capable of complete customisation and fine-tuned control at your fingertips, allowing you to adjust the machine to deliver any craft technique with ease. With 6 unique brewing modes, you can enjoy that perfect, balanced coffee exactly the way you like it. Gold Cup mode sets your brewing parameters automatically to meet SCA home brewing certification guidelines for temperature and contact time. Strong mode slows down the pump for a higher rate of extraction, resulting in a bolder tasting cup. Over ice compensates for ice dilution by producing a more concentrated brew. Cold brew delivers room temperature water and lets you dial in the desired brew time, then our unique steep and release valve automatically takes care of the rest. Customise with My Brew by tweaking all the parameters like bloom time, brew water temperature and flow rate to suit the particular coffee you're using, whether it's floral, fruity, earthy and so on. Or utilise the fast setting to brew a true 12 cup or 1.8 litres of fresh coffee in just 7 minutes. You can even have the machine brew into your own pour-over dripper. Now that's crafty. When it comes to precision and craft, we left nothing out. The search for that perfect tasting coffee ends here. The Breville Precision Brewer. More precision, more craft.